Start recording. Okay. We're gonna go D-Day. Maybe not D-Day. Try out Rivals. So, guys, this is the first time I have a voice, because it was a whole hassle on trying to get voice on here. It was just really hard. Look at me, moving in the background. Can I do the moonwalk? I'm gonna attempt to do the moonwalk. Hold on, we're gonna go. I can't do the moonwalk. I don't know. They should add that feature. You press so many buttons and then you can do the moonwalk. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Rivals. Okay, so I've attempted to record a video before about the energy bundle. Okay. So, as we know, this Christmas, everybody gets presents and stuff like that. Well, what I got was a Roblox gift card and money. So I'll be buying a Roblox gift card soon to get more bundles. But here you can see we got the energy rifle bundle. My mouse is really glitchy. In the world? Why is this not picking it up? There we go. I got a bunch of new wraps. Me personally, I like the minty wrapping on it. I don't like the Nova that much. But this termination doesn't look good at all. Then we got all the way over here. Okay, these are exclusive. These three right here are exclusive wrappings, especially this one. This is by completing the special challenges in the what you call it, Winter Spotlight. It's a danger wrapping to show people that you've gotten 100 kills, 100 kill streak actually, without dying. I like this one a lot. Let me see if I can find the lightning one that I wanted. This 2025 wrapping's nice too. But we're gonna do actually a couple rounds with this to see how much. Oh, that's nice. A couple rounds with this to see how many kills we can get, if we can get MVP, and also got the sniper. Obviously, got multiple wrappings on it actually. This is my Christmas wrapping. I used to main. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, right here, Hex from the Halloween event. As soon as I got my sniper, I put this on it because look at this. It's really nice. And look at Venom on it. I don't know if I really like that. I don't like Danger that much. I used it once. A Glacier Bright, like really bright. And then this is like a Forest type. Does anybody link in the oh, gotta figure out how to turn on comments. But when I turn on comments, you guys tell me in the comment if you guys like the wolf fur. I don't really like it that much. And orange GG. Obviously we got the medkit contract and we got the medkit bundle, so we're gonna be checking out the medkit as well while we're doing it. The white, I used it like a couple times. Hey, what is that? Earned by reaching level 50 on this weapon. Nice. But I'm gonna be using caned wrapping. Okay. And I'm not that really good on here. Not that good. Okay, so don't like make fun of me. Hopefully we got the daggers. I like to main the revolver. Obviously got the same skin on it. Energy pistols are really good if you're like tanker. Yeah. Hitting straight headshots on it. I kind of like the which one did I have on it before? Oh yeah, and my brother is going to be joining me and doing 2v2s with me. So you won't be able to hear his voice though until he gets Discord, and until I get Discord. Well, I'll have it, but I just have to figure it out. Encrypted, Empress, and also I will probably, when we get 50 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing lives, so you can 1v1 me. Oh yeah, the train. Sorry if you can hear my computer, my keyboard. Not that great. I have money that I might buy a new computer, new keyboard. See, like this guy right here, and then compared to these guys, I was versing a guy. I forgot his name though, and we were playing a couple. We're gonna go hop in. 2v2s. Oh no. This one. Okay. Okay. 104 on controller. Okay. My brother's gonna use all pay to win weapons. He's got the energy bundle too. Just for this round, since I see them, they have. I'll use the energy pistol. I also have katana. Obviously medkit. Gonna need that. So, sorry if the game's a bit glitchy though. Oh, what? Auto aim. I mean, oh. Well, auto aim too, but. Oh, he's paid to win. Oh, he might have bought that with easily. It's alright. Over there. There you go. Yeah, I'm not that great with sniper, but when I play on phone, I normally use auto shoot, which normally carries a lot. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do. I missed. Buddy. Watch this. I'm gonna get a headshot on this kid. Ah, how did I not hit? I'm missing, bro. Yes, sir! Ah, shoot. Hey, buddy, come on, shoot at me. Oh, shit, I missed. I like that, buddy. Ah, we can spin, right? Oh shoot. Uh-oh. No, come on, come on, come on. Crouch. Come on, would that give me the win or no? Oh. Only. Pay to win, yes. Yes, I've gotten that a lot. When people get pay to win. I've gotten that a lot. Really, actually a lot. You know, because they think it's much bigger. He's gonna hit me with that. Oh shoot. Aw. I didn't even know I was to the edge. Okay. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna go over here. Just because I want to. Wait, I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy. Wait, what? Nah, I gotta heal, bro. I gotta heal. Where do you what? Alright. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna switch my weapons here. We're gonna use the energy rifle. Actually, this. Katana. Molotov. Yep, that's right. No healing. No healing at all. There's no flare over there. Alright, I'm stuck. Yo, the ricochet saved my life right there. Oh my god. I don't have any healing. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I don't know where he is though. I'm gonna reload my revolver though. I forgot you can't zoom in. I see him. See if I can hit him with the ricochet. Where is he though? I heard a normal. Can you guys hear like the volume of like guns? Where is he? Is he hiding on the side of the map? Yeah, he is. Yes! He fell off the map! He killed me though. Alright, we're rushing, boys. I don't think they can do anything though. If you guys get Robux and you play Roblox Rivals, the energy bundle is the best. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So how he wants to go? Is that how he wants to go? That's how he wants to go. Chat. Can we put, when I get comments, can we put L Toxics? katana. Yo, everybody, on this chat right now, if you know about Noted, like, Noted is the best. Like, I've been on his live streams a couple times. I was in his live stream, a little bit ago. My brother just said he was gonna flashbang, so. Oh, that is not his. That is not. Oh, how'd he get me? I saw it. It's alright, guys. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Okay, so pretty bad, obviously. It's my first time. Auto shit not available for mouse and keyboard. So should we turn that off? I don't know. People are saying changing your crosshair makes it so much easier to, like, saying it's so much easier to hit headshots and stuff. We're gonna go like this. No. Disable makes the crosshair visible. Let me know. Turns off all crosshair effects. Bars enabled. Bars colors. Okay, guys. Don't judge me, but favorite purple, my favorite color is purple, so we're gonna go purple. Alright. Bars length. Oh, that's length. Okay. Bars thickness, yeah, we want thickness. That'd be cool though if you bar shape, sharp, or round. We can do round. I think round is gonna be better. Dot enabled. Yeah, dot color. It'll be purple, obviously. Dot thickness. Maybe this will help hit headshots. Dot transparency, no. Dot shape, no. Okay, I think this is good crosshair, guys. Right? Yeah, maybe so. Okay, now we're gonna hop into another 2v2, actually. I'll kinda try to find out if I can do screen recording on my phone and then import it to YouTube. I don't know. Try that. Maybe you guys get more excited about it. I'm not like Tanker though. Oh, my brother wants to 4v1. He's probably gonna wreck me because he got auto shoot. Where are we going? Splash, splash, splash. I'm going splash. Should I? I don't know, chat. I don't know. Molotov. Medkit. Ah, first time testing out. Hey, buddy. Where'd he go? Oh shoot. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh! What? Nice. Nice clean hit. Shoot. Was that clean, guys? Was that clean? Oh! Oh! Where is he? Oh, he just left. He says, join me. Okay, so I guess we're gonna join him. Hopefully he's playing Jailbird, because that's a good game. But on mobile, not that good. I think it's for like console and PC only. I don't know. Oh, in the comments when I get it, tell me what should I buy with keys. Okay, so I have enough to buy pretty much any other things except game keys. Okay, so that's the only thing. So we're gonna join him. Oh shoot, things lagging. Oh yeah, me and my brother were playing this Supersonic Speed thing. Actually, really good game. Not gonna lie. Really good game. Oh, Evade! Oh my god, I used to grind on this game. Actually, I have one video, episode 1. So this will be episode 2, I might just record a separate one. But hopefully we can get to 50 subscribers, so I can go live. And actually, hopefully, do squads in in Rivals. We can do like a 5v5 with people. Okay, we're going to go game modes. Game modes. Hot potato. Doesn't save. Legacy evade. Infinite lives, longer rounds. Recommended for new players. Okay, so we're gonna do infinite lives because I'm not that good right now. We're gonna do casual. If you're a new player on Evade, casual is the best for you because you get to respawn, and you also get you get to experience it more than what you do on a normal round. Okay, so maybe we could do some Invade too on the private servers if servers free. Let me see if my brother's in my server right now. There he is. Yeah, he's in our server. I'm just making sure because sometimes they don't. Okay, we're joining game. Joining game, guys. Joining games. Oh, there's special rounds. Angry Bow. Okay, what will happen? Bobo isn't pleased. Wait, isn't this a boss? Oh yeah, if you guys can probably find it, there's a short where this guy. What? Oh, he's a player. Okay, so he's a player. Guys, jumping while running is not the greatest, dude. just have to keep drinking. I hate boba. Well, not hate because that's a strong word, but oh, there goes my brother. On my other stream for episode 1, I got first place on the, I think it was the second round or something like that. I got like second. Oh, that's a bobo. That's a bobo. No. Wow. Okay, noted. Okay. You spawn in and you die. Oh, it was hard. How do you survive the full 4 minutes? I don't even think I survived. Yeah, look at me. I survived for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Work facility is good one. Campus and work facility, but you see this map is a normal. This map is easy. So if you're starter, this is the best game for you. That's the best map for you actually. Or unless you could find like the apartments. That's a good one too. These are my favorite YouTubers. I'm about to list them. So first we have X Demon. Then we have Stud and Mango Pool, and then second for group we have Socks, Allie, Nadway. So, this map is a hard map because if you fall off, you die. How much meters? Survive for 3 minutes. I don't know what map this is. The round just started. I'm shutting all these doors. I'm not taking any risk. I don't know this map, and I'm not trying to die. So I'm gonna crouch in this corner, or probably run after them. I don't know. They can open. They can open doors. Noted. Nice. Okay, so back to what I'm saying. My second group of YouTubers is Socks. Those are an Xbox. Socks, Allie, Nadway, Oof, Muffin.
Roblox. Don't let nothing stop you. We ain't stopping. We gonna keep going.
Socks, Nadway, Allie, Oof, Muffin, what's the guy's name? What's his name? Blaza, yeah, Blaza. TBH. I think that's all of them. Those are all my YouTubers, and Noted. He's a really good guy. Noted is really good. But he has instructions that you guys need to follow when on your live stream. Okay, so what he does from last live stream, he was doing donations, okay, and I was just looking through Roblox to see which ones were donations to donate. You just close the doors on me. You know they can open doors, right? Oh, don't die. That was clean. Oh, I didn't even know that was Happy Wheels. That's a good game, but not for kids though.
Turn myself into a pickle, Morty! Boom!
Oh, Pickle Rick,
Big reveal.
Pickle Rick, where you at? Did you guys hear that, Pickle Rick? Pickle Rick, where are you? This is a big map. I haven't even been up on top of the. I haven't been.
Michael here.
Nope. That next box.
16 times.
Whee!
Hey,
Yo, is this a good spot, chat? Is this a good spot? Probably not. There's SpongeBob. Okay. Nope, nope. Nope, we're good. Ooh, that guy's that was clean. That was clean. You gotta admit that. That was. No, I thought he died. Okay, so back to Noted. So Noted, you had to follow his rules. So last live stream I was in, first one, people were trying to get donated after the donations ended, and they were asking.
I'm Sal. I can do this job. I won't fail like all my previous jobs. I'm not a bartender.
Like he used to, and people were asking him if he can go on to games.
I'm Sal. I can do this job.
And people were asking if he could play some games. And they were asking like Strongest Battlegrounds, Blade, well not Blade, it was like, oh, what was it, Project Smash? And then, so he did, so he checked out all the games, and he said donations, donations ended, and, people kept asking him if he could donate and all that stuff. And he kept telling them, no, donations have ended, we're not doing any donations anymore. So people were like, then change the title, change that. And he said, I'm not gonna change the title, I'm gonna put it in the description. And he got really frustrated because people kept spamming their username, asking for donations, all of that. So he got really upset and he said, if you guys don't stop asking me for Robux, I've already donated like 1 million Robux already. If you guys don't stop, then I'm gonna end stream. So he was on a stream for a good 12 hours, I think. And I think he's still doing a live stream actually right now, unless he ended it, but you guys won't be able to do this. Wait, what? Let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, I can press W, okay. Oh. This is a neat area. I didn't know that. Wait, can I hide it from the next box? Right here? Can I just hide right here? Won't be able to get me. But, so he's a good guy. You just have to follow instructions to not make him mad. But yeah, check out Noted and Tanker. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys know about Tanker. Oh yeah, I just okay. That's an Xbox. Can I jump? Can I jump? Can I get? Yeah, it's gonna make. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Watch. Nope, never mind. Wait, what? Oh, there's an Xbox right there. Oh, there it goes. It's like, what? But, yeah. Help get to 50 subscribers. And soon, guys, I'd be able to, 50 subscribers. And 50 subscribers will be able to give me, so I can do live streaming. Or I could probably try live streaming. What? What was he? Oh, he's behind me, I forgot. But yeah. 50 subs, and I'll do 2 series at once. Oh no. I'm dead. Wait, I'm stuck. Barb? Is that real life Barb right there? Barb Simpson. But yeah. I might go and hop on and play some Jailbird after this round because I want to check out Jailbird on PC. When I get a big YouTuber, when I'm like really big and I have like millions and millions of dollars, or not millions, just hundreds of thousands, just enough so I can just like, I have a monthly income on Roblox. I mean, on YouTube. And I don't do YouTube just for the money. This was my hobby. I like to play games. I like to record and talk to you guys. So I just I heard of YouTube and I was like, oh, you can record and you can play games while you record and get like views and become famous and stuff. But I don't like famous because like I should be. Oh, I didn't die. That was cool, guys. You saw that. But like IShowSpeed, a lot of people don't like him. But when he went to Iran, something like that, his hair got ripped out and he broke his kind of sprained his foot, and because people who were like crazy stuff, they wanted his autograph, they wanted money, so that was the only way, and that just upset me. I was like really mad. Oh, it was a hard match. I was really upset, and I was like, what? That's crazy. And I don't want that to be like me. Like anywhere I go, everybody knows who I am and stuff. That's why I don't have a camera, and I probably won't get a camera. And stuff. But I'm gonna go and hop on to Jailbird and play that. Play like 2 rounds, 3 rounds. Then I have to end this and probably record another video tomorrow. Sorry for not recording a lot, because I had a problem getting stuff and I couldn't. Jailbird. Oh yeah, and Life Together, I do a bit of trolling on there. And just had a bit of problem posting because I had a problem with recording. Like it kept ending it and stuff like that. And I was just really mad and frustrated, but it's okay. It's alright now. My mom got a Wi-Fi booster to do this and stuff, so yeah. Oh yeah, and if you watch my videos, make sure to tell your friends about it, because I want everybody to have a good time on YouTube, and I don't want people to feel like they're left out and stuff like that. Ooh, why is nothing? Oh, where's my mouse now? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. I just turned this around. Round lost. Alright. And it's really late while I was recording this. But look at that. Look at it. Oh, that's a pin. That's the pin where you are. Sure. It's just crouch. Just melee. Figure out what key that is. I have to reload, I can say, I just no. Oh, shit. Uh-oh, it's a 2v1. Oh, never mind, it's a 2v1. Yeah, it's a 2v1. Looking at his avatar on the other team makes me wonder if he's really good at the game. Open fire. Oh, I think I just saw him right there. I don't know, man. This is a brutally, like... Oh, this might be like, I forgot. Oh, it's a 1v1. Where'd he die at? Did he die right there? I see him. What? One shot? What? Did we see that? Okay, another question. When I get comment, tell me in the comments, there's a lot of people choosing here. Tell me if I should speak in a British voice sometimes, or not. It'd be pretty funny. And I'm gonna get voice chat too. Be better, way better, I'm telling you. I don't know how you like peek over to the side like that. Uh-oh. I don't want to do that. What? Okay. Does anybody know how to move side to side like that? Like, move your thing, like what he's doing, like peeking around the corner on the desktop? Because I don't know how to do that. Let me see. How do I get chat? No, yeah, I'm in here. So we're gonna test this. I don't know. I'll do it later, How do I get rid of that on screen?